Okay, I'm not. Once again, I'm not going to talk too long. I think I'll go ahead and go to the slideshow. We'll go to the current slide here as we talk about free diving. Now, the next video that you're going to watch on sports is from 60 Minutes, and I found this video absolutely fascinating. And I don't want. I want you to just be able to upload it on your YouTube so that you can watch it without going through the screen through my screensaver. Watching it on mine, and so I won't be able to talk over it at times. But as you're watching that video, you get 3 attempts at the homework. So if you want to go, well, and as a matter of fact, if you wait till the end, I show you the homework questions, and then you can go back in and look at them, so you'll know what those. If you watch the entire lecture and then go back in, you'll be able to know which questions are from that 13-minute video. But it's just fascinating. It is just fascinating. And this might be Tanya Streeter here, who you'll see one of the women in the video. And no, here she is. Here, whoops. See, I hate it when I do this. Let's go back. All right, so free diving, and you'll see the William Trubridge thing, and it is a fascinating thing how deep people go, as deep as possible without scuba gear. Since people have been also for shells, sponges, and pearls. Valuable things are always where humans can't get to them. We like it. We like to see them. Okay, and so been free diving. Here's one of your questions. You're going to be asked which type of dive did Tanya Streeter do at the very end of the video, where you see where she almost loses her life, actually, going so deep. And the other thing is Bob Simons of 60 Minutes is the one doing it. He was one of my favorites, and he just passed away in a car accident last December, I believe. So here's free diving depth, going how deep can you go. That one of these three is what she did, and you'll be able to figure it out. All right, and here she is. In fact, here is here's I think this is her, but she's actually going down with a machine, and she well exceeded this, and this has been broken too. So don't look at this. Watch the video, and that'll show you the limits. And it is a very dangerous sport that they are participating in. Okay, one of the things, as a matter of fact, I'm going to go to the QuickTime player here and just impart a movie recording. What that they talk about way down, they say home runs because in the atmosphere, the actual schoolhouse solution that I tell that students in physics are wrong. Uh, I mean, it would be if there was no we neglect it because it takes away 40% of the energy of the baseball anyway. Um, and about 485 feet or 490 feet, I think. He gets to a point where he fills up his lungs the size of watermelons, basically, and then he descends, and pretty soon, because PV equals a constant, the pressure gets so intense. The pressure goes way up. Guess what happens to his body? The volume goes way down. The actual pieces is more dense than water very rapidly. He starts to go down very rapidly. It's hard for us to get underwater, but his and they only say it real quick. All of a sudden he loses they say he loses buoyancy. Well, why did he lose buoyancy? Because PV equals a constant. Pressure got so huge. Well, what had to happen? His volume had to shrink, and so his volume got smaller, and he just played down to the depths where he was going to get the ring and then come back up, and you'll see what happens at the end. It's a fascinating video, and